Buying gifts can be hard, stressful even. Whether shopping for birthdays or holiday, gift givers don't want to disappoint loved ones. If you have an e-commerce store, how can you take this pressure off your shoppers? With a gift finder quiz. A gift finder quiz is an interactive experience that asks shoppers a series of questions and recommends gift ideas based on their responses. Gift finder quizzes are great for any occasion. Christmas, birthdays, anniversaries, Father's or Mother's Day, graduation, Valentine's Day, or just because. Your gift finder quiz can ask simple questions like, who are you buying for? What is your budget? What does the recipient like? For example, favorite color, movies, hobbies, and food. But what if the shopper doesn't know much about the recipient? Show them several images and ask them to choose the one they associate with the recipient. With a quiz, both you and your shopper benefit. Your shopper can save hours of research, and you can earn a happy customer. But that's not all. Gift finder quizzes provide many benefits to e-commerce stores. With each question of your quiz, you capture zero-party data that you can use for email segmentation, retargeting, and even on-site personalization. If you promote quizzes in your paid ads, they're an engaging way to improve your return on ad spend. With one-click add-to-cart buttons on your quiz, it's easy for shoppers to buy, taking friction out of the shopping process. If your quiz captures their email address, you can send reminders to purchase their gift or buy gifts for future occasions. With a gift finder quiz, you can give your shoppers the gift of a great customer experience. To learn how you can add a gift finder quiz to your e-commerce store, visit Digioh.com.